Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing accounts so you don't hit permissions roadblocks. Make sure TikTok Shop and your TikTok for Business account are verified, with 2FA enabled and business info filled. Once done, open Ads Manager, go to Settings, then Linked Accounts. Click Add and choose TikTok Shop. This initiates the OAuth flow. You need admin rights on both platforms, otherwise the link will fail. Keep your store ID and tax details handy when prompted to speed the process along. Next, authorize and map your catalog so ads can use live product data. After granting OAuth permissions, go to Catalog Manager in Ads Manager and import or link your TikTok Shop feed. You'll match SKU fields, image URLs, titles, and prices. This mapping is crucial so dynamic ads display correct items. Configure currency and pricing rules, then choose a sync cadence, automatic hourly or manual updates. Make sure matching rules align with your store taxonomy to avoid mismatched items in campaigns. Finish by validating the connection and launching a pilot campaign. Run a test sync and preview several dynamic ad templates to confirm images, prices, and links are correct. Then create a catalog campaign in Ads Manager, set your audience, budget, and conversion event, and run a short test with a small spend. If something goes wrong, stop and check 3 things: user permissions, SKU field consistency, and CSV or feed formatting errors. Fix those, resync, and retry. Often a single SKU mismatch blocks many items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.